Hey guys, how's it going? Go see Richard today, and today I'm going to review and show you this Rode Vlogger kit. Now, as you can see, it's good for USB-C devices, which is kind of cool because I'm wondering if it will actually be compatible with an iPhone 15 since they are USB-C now. Now, that being said, the reason why I'm using this, I have an S23 Pro Ultra, and I absolutely hate the microphone. I had the iPhone before this, and it never cut off a lot of the low notes. So for example, I've got a Corvette beside me, which we'll use in the video later, and it would cut off the low notes and it sounded like garbage. So I'll be able to do some testing with and without the microphone so we can hear if there's a difference. But for right now, let's just open this thing up and see what's in here. First off, that goes, this goes. We have dead cat. This is so that way it, if you have wind noise, you pop this guy on. So if you're going to be filming on a windy day, make sure you use that and it will cut down the wind immensely. That's really cool that they include that. Again, Rode. I've shopped using Rode microphones for a long time and they are really nice. Actually, you're listening to a Rode microphone right now and they are pretty clear. So let's just start lining this stuff up. This is the light, which not as important, but still important because if it's brighter than your phone flashlight and disperses light better, it's worth it. This is the clamp that is going to hold everything together. Let's just put that in the instructions right there. And this is the tripod. If you're going to open it like crazy. One-time thing, right? This is also a tripod. Or it's cool because you can leave it like that, or it probably has some locking mechanism here, I'm guessing. Yeah, so it doesn't go as far down. Either way, we'll leave that there for a second. Now we've got this. Let's go ahead, loosen this. I hope it goes. It must go. So you can put any phone in there. But if it doesn't open up wide enough, that would kind of be a bummer. Let's see. About center. Ooh, I'm just not there yet. Almost though. Oh, it also, I have an OtterBox on, so. Oh, look at that. If you want, just because I know some people will have OCD, put it as central as possible. Then this, I'm sure there's an attachment to slide it on the hot shot right there, or hot shoe, whatever you want to say. And this is the tripod. So just unwind this like that, and we should be able to screw this on. So all you'll do is you'll wind it in like this and tighten it up with the hot shoe piece right there. And look at that. We've got ourselves tripod. You might want to move that over depending on what lens you're using, because if you don't, it might show up in the lens, but I don't think we'll have to worry about that. This is just a USB-C plug-in, so we should be able to, this I might have to pop the case off for, because I bet you they don't have an extension. I'll double check to see if there is, but I'm hoping, let's see, well, might have to take your case off to use this. With this right here, we can still loosen this to aim it if we want to. Anyways, put the two on like this, tighten it. Might have to back them off a little bit. And we'll just tighten that until it, there. Now, we'll move that other one in like that. This one will stay out. Now aim the light. I think if I can, I'd rather aim the light that way. I'm guessing that this has to charge to have battery, and it's been sitting in a box. To charge it, comes with a charging cable. Leave it like that. Now we'll figure out the microphone. So depending on how you're going to be recording, choose your orientation for the microphone. For me, I'm going to do this, because when I record, I always like to use the nicer lenses. After you've gone ahead and done that, all you would do now is unlock your phone and then select record. I'll show you in a sec. If you do so and you hit video and we press recording through microphone. Now, notice how it's not showing anything yet? You have to wait for it to start counting down. If you don't see it start counting down, close the app and reopen it. After you do that, you can press stop, and let's see if we have to unplug or if we can just listen to it. See, it thinks it's headphones. So I think you have to unplug it like that. And then what happens? If you don't see it start counting down, close the app and reopen it. After you do that, you can... There you go, just like that. So now that I know that it's recording, and I'll make sure that it's recording, I'm gonna switch over to this, and we can record some nice exhaust starter clips. And then what I'll do is, I think I have some already recorded on this phone that I've done without this. So I'll show you the difference between the sound of the two clips. And again, if you're wondering about, oh, well, what's being changed during editing? I am not gonna do any audio editing or anything on this video. So that way you can hear the difference between my microphone that you're listening to, which is another Rode microphone that's built into my camera, or not built in, it's a added on microphone, sorry about that. The built-in microphone on here, and then you can listen to the difference with this. All right, let's get this all set up. One thing for the light is it comes with a filter and a bunch of different lens colors. So if you want to change the light color, you can. So something really cool for you to note if you want to do some filtering of the light that goes. I have it actually charging up right now, so that way I can possibly show you in this video how the light works. Check this out. So if you click here, that's the lowest setting. That'll be nice for diffusing light and be perfect for somebody that just wants to light their face up a little bit. And then if you hit it again for another, oh, I hit it for more than 2 seconds. Just click it and see how it got a little bit brighter. Click it again, gets brighter. It looks like there's 4 different modes. Of course, just keep in mind that it's going to eat up a little bit more battery faster every time you click that. So I'm going to show you the light portion with my main camera. Just it'll help just show you. So 1, 2, and then see it adds a little bit. 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Long press to turn on and off, and just click to switch between modes, and that's it. And then of course add your filters if you want to add some color to it. As you can see, this is through my phone camera. That's the car we're going to be doing. And then I've got the microphone aiming at me right now. What I'm going to do is stop this, flip it around, and yeah. And of course I'm looking over here rather than over here because, yeah, just an optical illusion. Anyways, let's go ahead. I'll get this ready and we'll listen to the exhaust. Kind of windy here right now. I don't know if you can hear it. It's because I'm on the side of a mountain. So let's go ahead and slip this dead cat on and see what happens. All right. That's it with the dead cat on. Do you hear any difference with the wind? Again, it's actually picking up, if anything. So this should be more of a difference. You can see that on the tree. Anyways, let's go ahead and get this ready for the exhaust. So what I want to do too is I'm trying to record right now with the exhaust in the background and with the dead cat on so you can hear me. This is the motor that I built. You can see it on my channel. And again, the microphone is a kind of a shotgun mic, so it's aiming at me. So it shouldn't really be picking up too much of the car. Let's go inside. Anyways, that's a test of the microphone. Why don't I try taking the microphone off right now and I'll show you what that sounds like. This is through the phone camera microphone. I can't wait to hear this in editing to see the difference. But let's go back into the car just like I did before. So now the microphone's aiming towards me. So you're gonna pick up a little bit of the exhaust and then we go inside, which should kind of deaden it a little bit with the carbon fiber steering wheel, paddle shifters, blah, 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 blah. And let's go around to the exhaust. This is without the microphone. Another cool thing with this light, it does fit in the hot shoe of a regular camera, so you can use it for both. Either way, I hope this video helped you out. Press like if it did, subscribe for more, and enjoy.